Hey, what's up, guys? It's Clifford Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today, working in Spring Hill, Florida. We're gonna be doing a house wash here in the driveway cleaning. This customer here is the contact that put me on that big rust removal job I did a few months back with the sidewalks and the community center in there. If you guys seen the video from before, I'll link it so you guys can watch it. So I'm gonna be doing his house here in Spring Hill. It's a little ride out of my area, but since he looked out for me, I gotta look out for him pretty much. I got 2 jobs on the schedule today, so we're gonna be doing this house wash, the driveway here, the sidewalks, and I got another driveway to do. Like I was just saying on my last video, it's been kind of slow. Or a couple of videos, it's been kind of slow, but we gotta keep on pushing, keep on working. I got a big project coming up. The month of October is gonna be really good. October's always been my best month since I started pressure washing, so I know this is gonna turn out well, so I'm not really sweating it. But we got a big job coming up soon, which is the same place where I did the rust removal. I'm gonna be doing the villas, which is where I'm gonna be doing all the houses and driveways and the sidewalks inside of the community. So that's gonna be probably my biggest ticket ever. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, leave a comment. If you got any questions, ask them. I answer all my comments. Hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video, guys. So let's go check this job out. All right, so this is the house here. We're gonna do a little walk around. I don't see too much going on as far as like algae here. It's gonna be like a basic wash. We're gonna downstream this and give it a good rinse. As you guys can see, the driveway is painted, so we're not gonna put no surface cleaner on here. We're probably just gonna soft wash it, put some SH down, and then give it a good rinse with the wand. I'll surface clean the sidewalks, clean those up, and then we'll also surface clean the street curbs. Don't want to put no surface cleaner on this because you don't want to affect the paint. Do a walk around here. Like I said, I don't see too much. You got some missing paint on the fascia right here. A little oxidation on there as well, so we're not gonna put no pressure on here. See a mark on that wall. Back here they have a little painted patio. Go ahead and rinse that up as well. Same thing like the driveway. Just gonna apply the SH and just give it a good rinse with the gun. The rust won't be removed. We're not gonna remove any rust. But you can see some of this paint is already lifted up, so we're not gonna make it any worse. House is pretty small, only about 1,500 square feet. Should be able to go ahead and just soap the whole thing, and we got some algae in there too. See some dead bugs in there. We should be able to soap up the whole house and give it a rinse. It's not too big, and right now it's early in the mornings. We got a cloudy day today, so we won't have to worry about the SH drying too fast on the house. Right now it is 8:47. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna start applying the chemical from this corner here of the house, going to the back. All right, we're gonna get started. Gonna wait for that SH to start coming out. Let's go. This is a little shotgun today. right, so now we got the whole front side, back side done. As far as applying the chemical, we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. I'll rinse off the patio as the house is dwelling, because that's not gonna take that long. And then we'll go ahead and start rinsing our way back to the front. Pretty simple house wash here, because we don't have a lot of algae on the house. Everything has been rinsed up from the back up to this point. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and soap this wall, soap the driveway and the sidewalk, rinse this wall, and finish up with the sidewalk. No surface cleaning is needed today. Just straight one, except for the sidewalk. I'm not gonna want the sidewalks. I could if I wanted to, but I'm gonna do the surface cleaning on there, get it done faster along with the curves. All right, let's go. So since the house and the fascia is oxidized, I'm only using my soap tip to rinse with. I don't want to disturb the oxidation. So it's just a very low rinse. This is a 25 50 tip for the 8 GPM. All right, guys, we're all wrapped up over here. I'm gonna let my tank fill up a little bit more. This house had low flow, so I'm gonna try to carry a little bit extra just in case the next house is low. I'm gonna try to bring like probably 150 gallons just to make sure I don't run out. So let's go check the job out. All right, so house is drying up. I didn't disturb none of the oxidation. Got the windows clean. No streaks on the windows. Never leave no streaks on the windows. Got the back patio back here. soft wash that, downstream the SH, and just use the wand to rinse everything up. I told y'all the paint was already coming up, so you know, I didn't make those marks. So when I clean the algae off, of course the rust doesn't get cleaned off as well. That's a separate service. Yeah, no streaks. And that's dry. Okay, let's check out the driveway and the sidewalks. All right, this is the property line right here. No post-treat, just pre-treat. Got the curbs cleaned up, and the driveway was soft wash as well. Check it out. Hey, hello. Got rid of the weeds and the cracks for them. All right, that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Lando Lakes. And I got a driveway cleaning. I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, you guys, right now we're in Lando Lakes. We're gonna be doing a driveway cleaning. This customer here, I serviced them about when I first started, man, 2020. But they moved to a new house, and they want me to come out and do this driveway for them. So we're gonna be doing a driveway here, sidewalks, and we got a back patio to do. Let's check it out. So this is the driveway here. Pretty dirty. I'm gonna clean this up. Got a walkway up here, and then a little front porch. Alright, we got the driveway clean, sidewalks clean. Of course, I got lines. It's fine. These sidewalks were really dirty. I didn't pre-treat today, so we got some lines on the sidewalk. Got the tree over the top, so you already know a lot of that tinning stain is gonna be on there on the sidewalks. Let's check it out. So you guys can see the lines. I'm gonna post-treat those, get rid of them. Let's check out the driveway. I don't see them on the driveway. maybe a little bit right there. Oh, I can see him. It's very faint. Post treatment will take care of that. Oh yeah, I can see him here for sure. Nothing measured to me. Post treat, all that will go away. I'll be right back. Let's do a final recap. Already put the post treatment down. Everything's looking good. Let's check it out. So this is the driveway here. You can still see the post treatment on there. It's gonna dry. No need to rinse it. The sidewalk is already drying up. Got more sun on it. You guys can see all the lines are gone. No stress, no stress. Everything here is nice and clean. Got the curves done. All the way down. Of course, that rust does not get removed from pressure washing. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed a little quick video for the day. Hope y'all learned something new. If you got any questions, like I said, ask them and I'll answer all my questions. Y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell so you know when I put up a video. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.